Hi mga kayo, VG. Ako ulit. So, musta kayo dyan? Thank you so much po, as always, sa mga new subscriber at saka sa mga returning subscriber po natin. Okay, at sa mga nag-comment po, mga commentators, sa mga nag-share, nag-like, thank you so much po. Highly appreciated po. So, tingnan natin kung anong ganap mga kayo, VG. First week ng July. Okay. First week ng July, wala po tayong gender sa energy. Maaring naganap na po, magaganap pa lang, or kasalukuyang nagaganap mga IUBG. So, tingnan natin. Okay. First week of July, para sa aking collective, Virgo Gang, Virgo Gang. Oh, my goodness. Grabe naman ang unang card. Upright. What else? First week of July, Two of Pentacles at saka grabe naman. Either energy mo to, Virgo, or person na connected sa'yo. Decision making, addictive, obsessed, Two of Pentacles is trying hard. Merong trying hard dito na pagsabayin ang sitwasyon, okay, but the universe is not gonna let it happen. Okay, so isa lang, hindi pwedeng dalawa. Okay, so there's gonna be a big choice here. Okay, Virgo. Either, let's just say, ang lovers, hindi naman siya specifically like, I think masasabi ko na rin kasi kung makikita mo, merong dalawang tao sa baba, naka-chain, merong dalawang tao sa baba, hindi sila naka-chain, but you know what I mean, ang diferensya. So, hindi ko pwedeng ilapit eh. So, devil at saka angel. So, obsessed to, relationship, hindi ko alam, Virgo, kung sino to para sa'yo, but at the same time, hindi pwede yung dalawa. Enough is enough. With the Tower card is being here, pag ang universe false foundation kasi hindi pwedeng dalawa nga, isa nga lang. Okay, so in the July, first week of July, kailangan may gumawa ng desisyon or may gagawa na ng desisyon dito. Fully close, break it to make it, or make it to break it, or I don't know, with the 8 of Wands, communication and taking action. Okay. What else? Give me more. Grabe ang simula, ang init. First week of July, sa aking collective. Just let me know in the comment below, Virgo. The Hierophant and the High Priest. Oh my God, magkatabi pati sila. I think you know better. With the Hierophant is being here, Virgo, merong fake. Fake marriage, fake proposal, fake. Everything is fake. Oh my God, ano ba to? I think your intuition is telling you something about this connection, Virgo. Don't ignore. Okay. Don't put yourself, huwag mong ilalagay ang sarili mo sa sitwasyong hindi mo kayang panindigan. Okay. Bakit ko nasabing hindi kayang panindigan? Either ikaw or the person that you are connecting with, ang pinagsasabihan ko dito, wala ako sa posisyon na pinagsasabihan, mali, erase, delete. Hindi ko alam kung sino yung kinakausap ko. I mean, okay. Wala ako sa posisyon mag-advise, wala ako sa posisyon, you know what I mean. But, Virgo, ang nakikita ko dito, ang gusto kong i-deliver na mensahe sa'yo is merong false poker face dito. I mean, kung ikaw ang iniwan at saka there are something going on into another, um, hindi 'to magwo-workout. Papasok ang tower, eh. False commitment at alam mo 'to and meron ditong front lang. Juggling the situation while you are still in love on the another person, in love and tied and something. Nagkaroon lang ng choices dito. Why? Because of the tradition maybe or because of the something here, family background, belief system, I don't know, and something in that line. Okay. And then the another person is gusto niyang i-ano pa rin, i-work out both. Hell no. Hindi papayag ang universe dito. Merong kailangang no, it's a no-no. First week of July. Ace of Wands, new beginning. Seven of Pentacles, waiting, nag-invest na sa sitwasyon, naghihintay na lang ng resulta dito. Pero with the Ace of Wands, this is a new beginning, passion, fire energy. Okay. May nararamdaman din ako ditong sexual. Ito. Obsessed. Meron lang naghihintay dito. Someone is very hot, Virgo. I think charging, may nakita ko dito. Don't get me wrong, please, para po sa mga hindi makaka-resonate, scroll nyo na lang po. Pero po para sa mga Virgong nakaka-connect sa akin, sa reading na to, someone is low battery. Merong gustong naghihintay sa'yo to, Virgo, or maybe ikaw naghihintay to charge physically. I think the battery is yung charger na sa'yo. I don't know, basta something in that line. This person is drained. Bakit ko nasabing drain? Virgo. Bakit ko nasabing drain? Drain siya sa sitwasyon. Kasi siguro akala niya, hindi siya makikita or mapapansin ng universe or ni Lord or ni God. What you believe, Virgo. Akala niya siguro hindi siya mapapansin na. Hindi pwede, isa lang. Isa lang dito. Ace of Pentacles. Eight of Swords. Six of Cups. And the Death card. Okay. So, meron ditong nostalgic energy. Person from the past is trapped. Paulit-ulit Gusto magkaroon ng new beginning dito. Ace of Pentacles, Ace of Wands. Sometimes it can represent rebirth. Kasi meron tayong Death card. Delivery, I mean, opportunity, pregnancy. Ace of Pentacles, Devil card. Ace of Pentacles at saka Ace of Wands. Someone is stuck into the situation, Virgo, trapped from the past. Hindi ko alam kung sino ang trapped from the past, Virgo. Kung ikaw ay you're doing good, you're doing fine, you are not thinking about the past, and then you're good. Okay. Hindi mo energy to. Pero someone's energy is very strong, Virgo. From the past few months, Virgo, yun ang kahit tingnan mo yung mga reading ko dyan, I think this person is talagang panay pasok sa reading ko eh. Hindi ko alam kung sinong person na to sa'yo. This person is trapped. Okay. From the thoughts of you, from the love of you, from everything, Virgo. The Six of Cups, Death card. Hindi matay-matay. Mas lalo lang lumalakas eh. This person is trapped. Okay. So, pero hindi pwede ang dalawa. The World card. Tapos na to sa'yo. Death card, the World card. Or kailangang tapusin. Okay. Ending something. The World card. Cycle yan eh. Eight of Swords. Merong stuck or merong takot. na mag-take a leap or something. Skeptical, Virgo. Tell me more. Five of Swords, confrontation, Eight of Pentacles, the Magician card, Ten of Swords, the Star card. Okay. Four of Cups, rejection. Hindi ko alam, Virgo, kung ni-reject mo na 'to multiple times at saka sinabi mong tapos na kung ano man ang wala na. But with the Eight of Pentacles and the Magician card, trying to work it out. Rain or shine, do or die, at least nag-try kind of energy with the Ten of Swords is being here. Stabbing in the back. Ang mentality niya is nakalak sa paulit-ulit na niloko. Alam naman ng person na to kung ano ang mga action niya before. Okay, so this shit is about to hit the fan, Virgo. So with the Star card, nagre-request pa or nagde-desire pa to ng healing, Virgo. Hindi niya alam kung tatanggapin mo pa siya. I think many rejection na with the Four of Cups. So I think napagod ka na rin kakasabi na tapos na or paulit-ulit mo nang pinatawad din tong taong to. And I think this is the last time na talagang you're done. Okay, together with the Death card, everything is done. Death card, the World card, Five of Swords, papasok pa rin siya. Ipipilit niya yung sarili niya with the Eight of Pentacles to the Magician card. Ten of Swords. Wala ba tayong pang finances dito or pang kabuhayan? Puro na lang tong taong to pasok ng pasok dito sa enerhiya ng baraha ko. Ay, kaka-charge ko lang nito pati. Just let me know, Virgo, kung sino man yung mga person na natitrigger sa'yo, nagpa-pop out lang sa cellphone mo or nagpa-pop out lang sa harapan mo or sa harap ng bahay nyo or something in that line. Just let me know kasi itong person na to hindi matigil eh. Corny man pakinggan pero yun talagang lumalabas. Masaya na masakit. Hindi ko alam kung ikaw yung nakaka-feel ng masaya na masakit. Okay, or maybe siya or something na baka nakita ka niya. Okay, or baka nakakausap ka pa niya. Masaya na siya dun. Small things. Kahit masakit. Okay. Kahit mga masasakit na yung sinasabi mo sa kanya, masaya pa rin siya kasi sinagot mo. I mean, nag-response ka or whatsoever, nag-notify or something in that line. What else? King of Wands, Nine of Cups, Queen of Pentacles, and the Hermit card, Knight of Cups, and the Strength card. So Virgo, this person is Two of Swords, decision making talaga. Nasa sa'yo yan, Virgo, either ikaw ang decision or the another person. Kasi why? Bakit ko nasabi yun? King of Wands is nandito, okay. Kukunin niya talaga yung queen niya dito with the Queen of Pentacles. Very grounded. With the Hermit card, I think nararamdaman mo. Hopeless romantic. Titirahin ka nito emotionally. Very passionate. Very fiery. Virgo, physical exercise. Okay. Yun lang ang ano niya. Para ma-feel niya na you're still there, you still present pa rin yung love mo. Present pa rin yung pag-care mo. Doon niya mapapatunayan, really? Meron ba nun? But be careful kasi meron tayong, you know what I mean. Be careful kasi may the Sun card din. Okay. Alam niyo naman, titingnan niyo na lang sa Google kung ano yung baka lalaki. Kung sakaling mangyari ang physical exercise dito. Okay, so ang lakas ng tama nito, malakas ang kursunada niyang kaya kanya pa rin kunin. Okay, lakas talaga. Hindi ko talaga kung makikita mo yung leon sa likod niya. Sa likod ng upuan niya nakaukit. Okay. Tapos yung leon, Diyos ko Lord. Bahala ka na Virgo, use your own discernment, Two of Swords. Ikaw yata ang kailangan magdesisyon dito, hindi puwedeng dalawa. Okey. So, either you choose yourself or you choose this person again or, you know what I mean. I think masasabi kong again kasi meron tayong Six of Cups. This is a past person. Ang kulit Virgo. Nine of Wands, okey, hindi kita masisisi. You put your guard up. Tama lang 'yan, kasi wounded warrior ka na sa sitwasyon as in hit rock bottom ka na, as in super duper, sagad-sagad na 'to. Okay, but itong person na 'to meron kang soft spot para sa person na 'to. My God, ang love language nito is physical. Ay, dang. Para sa mga Virgong you know. Okey. Ace of Swords, katotohanan, aha moment, 9 to the 10 of Cups, talagang kukunin ka nito. 5 of Cups is a regret card. 10 of Wands is 9 to the 10 of Wands. Knight of Swords, mag-uutal-utal, may mag-uutal-utal dito. Malaking responsibilidad 'to Virgo, so nasa sa'yo 'yan. Ang pagpapamilya is hindi gano'n kadali, okey. But merong willing ditong sumugal. Okey, hindi ko lang alam sa another person kung willing, kasi ang dami ng nangyari dito, okey. Pero ang person na 'to is nakikita niya na you are tested, you are proven, effective, and safe. Yeah, so sure siya. Ewan ko kung sinong kinakausap ko, but something in that line. Okay. Merong sa loob niya na proven and tested and effective ka para sa kanya or siya para sa'yo. So, either way. Weird. Ginawang produkto eh. So, tignan natin kung anong advice. Jeez, Virgo. Tingnan natin anong advice. What is the advice, please, for my Virgo? Confidence is your key to success. Conclusions are within reach. And bring love into the situation. So, what do you need to release? So, negative thoughts or holding you back into something, Virgo, it's up to you. But your confidence is your key to success, Virgo. Kung ano man ang goals and desire mo, okay, just bring love into the situation because the conclusion is already in your reach. So, let's see. Bahala ka na kung saan magfi-fit sa'yo yan. Okay, but at the same time, tingnan natin ang iyong angel message number. Baka makaresonate sa sitwasyon mo. Okay, so sa mga hindi pa makaka-resonate, better luck next time po. Okay, baka po energy nyo na masagap ko. Sa mga makaka-resonate po, thank you po in advance. So Queen, meron kang ancestor. 7, 5, 759 Virgo. 759, Google mo siya, maaaring makaresonate sa sitwasyon mo. So, this is what I have for you, Virgo. Okay. Thank you for being here, Virgo. Thank you for watching, and see you on the next one. Bye for now.